This video is dedicated to increasing our Etsy sales. I want to focus specifically on two things. First, positioning ourselves for success from a search engine optimization perspective. The first sale is the hardest sale to make when you create a new listing anywhere, on Etsy included. So we need to signal to the Etsy algorithm what it is that we're selling through good SEO. I have a new tool that is in early access I want to share with you that literally data mines your most successful competition and gives us the most relevant suggested search terms to prioritize in our title and tags. I'm going to show you that. Second, I want to show you a trending research tool that covers every genre of print-on-demand product as well as printables. Two of my favorite ways to sell on Etsy. So let's get right to it. So to get started, we're going to get some help from our friends at Insight Factory that offers a cutting edge suite of tools for Etsy sellers that you can check out using the link in the description. Shout out to Insight Factory. So once you're here and you've created an account, go ahead and click Dashboard to access your dashboard. Now, they are offering a new tool. Like I said, I have early access called Magic SEO. I've actually already loaded it up. You have to connect your Etsy shop. So I'm using primarily, it's basically a test shop for MyDesigns listings, and we're letting it audit our shop. It's already done, it's loaded it, and it has generated recommended keywords, again, for the title. They even say put the highest value keyword at the beginning of your title, which is always a good tip, and make sure your tags cover them as well. I did not have to do anything other than click Magic SEO to get to this point, and you have to connect your Etsy shop, which is like 2 clicks, okay? Once you've done that, guys, it is literally it's evaluating your competitors. It's looking at Etsy autocomplete data. It's gathering data from as many sources as possible to try to get insights, right? Insight Factory's giving us insights on relevant search terms that potential customers are actually searching for. I know it's obvious, but the easiest way to signal to the Etsy algorithm that, hey, they just typed this into our search bar and I've got the perfect product for them is to use the search terms that they're typing in your SEO. Your title gets the highest priority. Your tags also gets priority, but not as much as the title. So you can see right here, they're giving us this first listing right here is an example from the shop that we connected for this video. It is a camping shirt that says always take the scenic route, and it figured out related trending keywords. Okay, and you can actually click to expand this. And you can see they give you a sales signal in this column as well as a competition audit. So camping gift shirt, forest themed shirt, tree shirt, adventure is calling. You see what I'm saying? They're giving you suggestions for tags. I mean, it would look like maybe potentially keyword stuffing in your title. That's really up to you to decide though. I mean, we know on Etsy, it's pretty common to have repetitive phrases that mimic what someone would type into the search bar. On a dark desert highway shirt. So you have to use your discretion. If that's not relevant, then just skip past that to the next one. Adventure shirt, that's relevant. Travel shirt, relevant. Hiking shirt, relevant. Desert shirt, relevant. Vacations, right? Maybe you overlooked including the word vacation, but it's a camping shirt. A lot of people consider camping a vacation. Why would you exclude that? Well, they've got that. It has a great sales signal right there. You can see, by the way, if you're selling like an SVG, you're selling a digital download, and you're getting recommendations from the clothing category, perhaps maybe think twice about using it. But in this case, it is giving accurate suggestions because we are in fact selling a print-on-demand t-shirt. Okay, so that's just one example here. We can move on to the next one. Now we're looking at a printable, a digital download. The theme is a cow-themed tumbler wrap. So let's see what it came up with here. Highland Cow Valentine tumbler wrap PNG, Highland Cow PNG for 40-ounce tumbler. Again, when you create these, by the way, you optimize for specific tumbler sizes. So maybe you forgot to include the right ounces. Also, when it's given these suggestions, it may go and find a gold mine of product potential that is being underserved, right? Like maybe you have the capability of offering a 40-ounce tumbler wrap, but you've only offered 30-ounce tumbler wraps. You see what I'm saying? And this could be telling you, hey, there's customer demand for the 40-ounce. So when you see that, you may say, that's not right. I'm selling a 30-ounce, but that could be representative of an opportunity. Okay, that's one of my favorite things about Insight Factory and just in general selling online is anytime you can access the search data it reveals what customers are looking to buy, right? If you're running Etsy ads, hopefully you're also looking at the other search terms that maybe you didn't expect that your products are getting displayed on, right? Especially if they're driving conversions. I mean, they probably wouldn't convert if it's like a different product type, but hopefully you get what I'm saying. Boho, Highland cow tumbler. So maybe you include the word boho. I know that's a popular search term on Etsy. Floral Highland cow tumbler wrap. So maybe you put a spin on your initial design, make it more floral. Baby cow, cowgirl, pink cow print. You see what I'm saying? So it's going and finding a lot of related search terms, some of which may be exactly related to the product you're selling, and you just need to include those keywords. Others may be saying, hey, there's a related product here that there's interest in. So as you can see, they have gone and done an audit on all of the products from our shop and come back with suggestions of keywords, of phrases that we can implement to improve our search presence on Etsy. And I almost forgot to mention that you can click any of the link icons on the left column and it'll bring you to the keyword tool where you can break down more information on this keyword or phrase. We're going to talk more about that in a second. And if you scroll down here in the Magic SEO section, you'll be able to provide feedback on the results as well as view additional information based on your likes on Etsy and your search history. What is not to love about this? That's their Magic SEO tool on Insight Factory. Now, of course, there's other ways of finding very valuable data on a per listing basis, even if you're not selling that listing. Another awesome feature from Insight Factory. So you can actually go to the keyword research section and go ahead and let's just say we want to sell July 4th. So you go ahead and type that in. I actually already loaded that up right here. Okay, and now it's going to return to us basically a bunch, just a massive data set of July 4th products. You can see on the left-hand side the design. You can see the 7-day sales. This one, it looks like, has made 1,007 sales in the last 7 days. You can click to view the listing on Etsy. That is absolutely insane. But like I said, there's other ways of gathering relevant keyword data where it says last sale. You can actually click that, and this is a hidden feature, okay? It said last sale today. I clicked that. Check this out. It's giving us a lot of in-depth advanced metrics. So this was published on June 8th. Okay, and it's only June 26th. It's already done 1,000 sales, 1,014 to be exact. Whoa, that's not actually the total. That's in the last 7 days. That's insane. 400 new 6 favorites in the last 7 days and almost 20,000 views in the last 7 days. So insane. I cannot believe it. Now, also, it has gone and data mined all of these keywords associated with this listing that may be driving traffic and conversions to this listing. Again, it may reveal a few things about it. For instance, I see Taylor Swift listed. Now, I would not recommend selling anything related to Taylor Swift. And someone actually told me this specific design, of course, is actually in some weird way related to Taylor Swift. I think she was in London or something like that. So this would actually be, to me, a signal to stay away when you see Taylor Swift. But they probably don't say Taylor Swift in the listing. That's where Insight Factory could actually save your entire Etsy account if you didn't know, hey, this design's related to Taylor Swift, and you went and published it or something similar, and then you get in trouble down the road. So Insight Factory, the hidden keyword tool here, could have potentially really kept us out of trouble. And the last thing I wanted to show you is aimed at refining your approach to niche research and even product selection when it comes to what to sell. The easiest way to make sales, guys, is to sell things that people are actively looking to buy. I know, I'm going to say it till I'm blue in the face. You've heard me say it before. So what we're going to do inside Insight Factory is go up to Trends Explorer. Now you'll notice here, they have a bunch of popular categories selected for us. They've got print on demand right at the top, but in addition to that, clip art, SVG, business, printables, digital art, baby showers, weddings, etc. All right, they've even got subcategories there. They've got jewelry. They've got a whole bunch, guys. I mean, if digital products and printables is your thing, check out all of those options as well. Invitations, templates, planners, business, etc. Okay, let's go to print on demand though. You already know that's near and dear to my heart. We are looking at print on demand trends. And what do you know? Before we even just get a bunch of niches thrown at us, we get to choose what type of product we want to sell. Suppose you are ready to call it quits on Etsy because you tried apparel like everybody else and realized it is, I mean, I hate making excuses, but man, is it saturated on Etsy. Apparel on Etsy is saturated. Not that it can't be beaten, but it is not easy. All right, we all know that from experience by now. So how about we consider selling, I don't know, yard signs Stickers, magnets, they've got a bunch of suggestions here. We can even hit show more. Pillows, towels. I mean, I don't know about you. It's summer. We got some beach trips planned. How about some towels? I bet you there's a lot of good opportunity there, right? If it's December, maybe not, but hey, it's summer. Let's do it. Go ahead. You can exclude keywords right here. So they're excluding things like ring, rack, mockup, Canva, etc. Just as examples of keywords you would not want to include to help refine the search results and get you the best results possible. So let's look. They've got a baseball bundle that includes towels with the team logo, team name, and the name of the player, the kid. Love that as an idea. Anybody that has kids that play baseball, you might have thought of this. I would have never thought of that. I'm not a baseball guy. Shout out to people that are. Trading pin towels. Okay, so they've got pin towels. Not exactly sure. Maybe you're just like putting pins from other sports teams, it looks like there, or maybe sports tournaments. Custom cooling towels. Again, custom towel being the main thing. You can add the various sports and designs. Paper towel holder clamp. So maybe you would go up here and exclude the word paper, okay? And then we're not going to see the paper towel girl anymore. Wood, okay, maybe we take wood out as well. You see what I'm saying? Give it an assist in coming up with suggestions. It's not going to be perfect when it's trying to do this at scale and looking at tens of millions of Etsy listings, right? Another baseball towel. So anybody that's into baseball, maybe you knew, it's looking like there's definitely potential here. Golf towels, and putting a Father's Day slant there. Another golf towel with custom photo. Custom photo, golf towel again, but putting it towards the custom pet. Towel bar, you skip that. You could put bar as a exclude keyword. Towel for baseball pin. So you take those pins from the various teams and tournaments, put it on a towel itself. Personalized baseball cooling towel, golf towel. So what have we learned? We just went through page 1. There is 83 pages of data here in Insight Factory, but even if you're not into golf or baseball, what do you know? There is a ton of search volume and potential here if you want to sell custom golf towels, custom baseball towels. And of course, guys, do not forget beginner-friendly keywords. I believe this is for people that have upgraded subscriptions to Insight Factory, but this is where it's literally looking at your competition as a function of the demand and giving you the best possible recommendations. What's not to love about that? All of a sudden, we're getting recommendations. Call me old-fashioned towel. So I guess just a kitchen towel with a funny, old-fashioned, the drink. Happiness is homemade. So now we're getting dish towels. We're getting other suggestions. More dish towels. It looks like embroidered. College logo towels. Of course, you got to be careful with those. Definitely don't want to commit any infringement and get your Etsy shop closed. Happy face, beach towel. St. Patrick's Day, anyone can cook, hand towels for bathrooms. So bathroom hand towels as well, that's a towel, guys. If you can sell it via print on demand, you need to find a supplier, all right? But there's demand for these products. So let's put it all together. I'm starting off here in the trending section. I'm gonna click print on demand. This is how I use it, but of course there's other ways of going about it. Under print on demand, how about we look at coffee mugs? That's how I got my start selling print on demand outside of Amazon merch. Now, there are many coffee mugs that are trending here. We can even use beginner friendly to expedite our search for the most profitable and lowest hanging fruit, easiest to succeed. I'm gonna click Life's Tough, get a helmet, and see a little bit more about this product. By the way, if this is a niche that looks like it holds promise, you can literally click generate title and it will do that for you right there with AI. Of course, there's a copy button and a regenerate button if you're not happy. You can also copy the tags and click generate description. Now that you have the tags, it'll pull them in automatically. It pulls the title in automatically. Click generate description. It uses AI and boom. Even life gets tough. When life gets tough, start your day with a smile with the Life's Tough, get a helmet mug. See, and then it just goes on using the tags and the title as inspiration and of course AI for your product listing. The title, the tags, the description, it's all done. And if you caught my live stream with Cody the other day from Gold City Ventures, we were talking about how we don't necessarily always sell in the most obvious, highest competition niches. Sometimes we like to pivot to lower competition niches, even if it means the upside is capped, because it comes with significantly less competition, which gives us a chance at easier sales, even if it's not the type of sales that are going to let you launch one product on Etsy and retire from the amount of money it made you. All right. Those are few and far in between. So guys, check out Insight Factory if you liked what you saw. It's linked at the top of the description. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please drop a like for the YouTube algorithm, subscribe, and I'll see you soon with another new video.